Well, I just want to speak on few things. Why, in the sense, whenever I'm going through my Instagram messages or in the free call consulting, I'm able to find one common question stating that I'm weak in programming or I'm weak in math. Am I suitable to learn machine learning or AI or deep learning? The only one thing I will be saying, no one is strong here in this world. Even I'm weak programmer, I'm weak in math, everyone are weak in programming and everyone are weak in strong. So whenever you are comparing with other people, more or less you're gonna be weak or you're gonna be strong, that's it. But anything in this world can be mastered, anything can be practiced if you're able to give a lot of time. For example, whenever you take your PUBG, let me take a simple example, game PUBG. Whenever you started installing PUBG for the very first time, you may not be a very strong player in PUBG. As you are spending more time, as you are practicing it, as you are playing more games with your friends and with all your relatives and all this, you're gonna be a strong player in PUBG. So whenever you are giving comparatively more time, that's what we call it as patience. So when you're giving more time, automatically it demands patience. When you're giving more time, automatically you're going to be a strong programmer. You're going to be a strong in math. You're going to be strong in AI. You're going to be strong in everything, whatever you're doing. But most of the problems we are able to see is we don't give the time. So we dream about great things, but we don't give the time. If you're able to give the time, if you're able to stick onto some of the areas like programming or math or whatever it may be, if you're able to hustle like anything, that's what we try to do in our games or any of the things which we love seriously. For example, if you're taking up the games itself, as I said, so you love that, so that what you will be doing, you will be giving a lot of time, so you keep on hustling it, you try to spend a lot of hours on the game, so obviously you're gonna be a good what we can say a gamer or something like that. So if you're able to give more time on what you love, practically I think you're going to be very strong in the thing. So never say like you are weak or never feel like you are pretty weak in math or programming. It's all the things can be mastered if you're able to give time. So try to give a lot of time on it. So that's the reason whenever, even if I'm hiring anyone or even if anyone are joining the courses, I don't feel like you want to join it based on the salary or based on some numbers. You need to take up your career as something what you love. When you love something, practically you give the time. When you're giving time, obviously you're gonna be strong. You may not be coming up with excuses as I'm weak or I'm not doing good. So no need to feel like you're weak. Anyone can be a strong player in this world if you're able to give the time. So even I'm weak, all the people here are weak. No need to worry about it. Never compare with anyone. So I think you started at a very first step. That's the reason you may be weak. So if you're giving more time, I think you're going to be a pretty strong player in this entire game of AI, data science, machine learning and all this. So don't feel bad about it. You can do what you are planning for. I think you are dreaming about AI career or data science. So give time. Obviously, you are able to be a good programmer. No need to worry. All right. If anything you want, please book a free call consulting. I will be helping you out on it. Thank you so much.